Hi, welcome back. So here we have Jan 2019, Pure Math 1, Chapter 3, Equations and Inequalities. Figure 1 shows a line L1 with equation 2y is equals to x. So this line L1, the equation is given as 2y is equals to x. And a curve C with equation y is equals to 2x minus 1 by 8 x squared. So this curve equation is given as y is equals to 2x minus 1 by 8 x square. The region R shown unshaded in figure 1 is bounded by the line L1, the curve C, and the line L2. So we have a dotted line here, L2. Given that L2 is parallel to the y-axis and passes through the intercept of C with the positive x-axis, identify the inequalities that define the region R. So in this case, first of all, we need to find out the equation for L2. So to find out the equation for L2, it's given that it is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means we know that the equation will be x is equals to, and we need to check where the line cuts the x-axis. So we need to find out this particular point. And this point, what is the importance of this one? This is the x-intercept of, this is one of the x-intercept of the curve, the parabola here. So y is equals to 2x minus 1 by 8x square. So y is equals to 2x minus 1 by 8x square. So this point over here, it is one of the x-intercept of the curve. How do you find out the x-intercept? We make y as 0. So put y as 0 here. Y is equals to 0, 2x minus 1 by 8x square. So bring all these terms to the other side so that I can have x square with a positive coefficient. So 1 by 8x square minus 2x is equals to 0. I don't want this denominator 8 here. So what I'll do is I'll multiply the whole thing by 8. So 1 by 8 into 8 is 1. So basically that is x square minus 2 into 8 is 16. X is equal to 0 multiplied by 8 is 0. Now I can factorize this. I can see that x is common here. So x into x minus 16 is equal to 0. Equate them separately. So we will get x is equal to 0, x is equal to 16. Now we know that the curve intersect at the origin. So that must be x is equal to 0. And here this point should be then 16. 16. Now equation for line L2 will be x is equals to 16. We got this x is equals to 16. So now we need to identify the inequalities that define the region R. First of all, x is equals to 16 is having a dotted line, and it is the region that we are considering is towards left of that. If it is towards left of this line x is equals to 16, that means your inequality will be x is less than 16. We are not putting less than or equal to because this is a dotted line. Dotted line means this particular 16 is not included. So x is less than 16 will be your first inequality. And then the second one, we know that that is the line L1 here. Line L1 is 2y is equals to x. And now the region R that we are considering is below 2y is equals to x. So below 2y is equals to x means 2y is less than or equal to x. Why less than or equal to? Because this is a solid line. If it is a solid line, it is included. So 2y is less than or equal to x. Now finally, we have this quadratic here. And now we need the region above the x-axis. If it is the region that we are considering is above the x-axis, if it is above the x-axis, then it is greater than. And if it is below the x-axis, if the region that we are considering is below the x-axis, then the inequality will be less than. Here, we have the curve in solid line here. So this will be y greater than or equal to 2x minus 1 by 8 x square. So this will be your answer. So I hope you have understood this. This is a 3-mark question. So for each inequality, you will be getting 1 mark. So that's it. I hope you have understood this. If you have understood this, feel free to write it in the comment box.